Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour. I have 1 hour before I need to leave to get my kids from school. I had an appointment this morning and went to the gym, so I didn't get to do this first thing, so I'm going to get it in now.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had it.
As many of you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, my bed always gets taken care of first, and I usually do it first thing in the morning, but I had to get up and go quickly, so I wasn't able to. But I cannot leave my bed messy all day. I am still on the hunt for a good comforter, so you guys let me know in the comments below where you guys get your comforters. I need a king size, and I just want to make sure it fits on both sides and doesn't shrink. The one I got from Target a while back shrunk, and I was really disappointed. This one here I got from Marshall's. It's Mac Studio, but I'm ready for a new one. I feel like my dresser is a catch-all. Can you guys relate? So I have to clean it off before I get everything dusted. I have to say I really love this furniture. It's really sleek and beautiful. We got it from Rooms To Go. But one of the downfalls is you can see just the tiniest bit of dust, so it has to be dusted every single week. You can see Ruby trying to chase the vacuum. Sometimes I let her, and sometimes it really just drives me crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So this time, I think she knew it was starting to get on my nerves a little bit, and she hopped up on the bed to kind of hide from me. Like I said, sometimes I think it's really cute, but sometimes I need her to move. I have had people ask me before what my tattoo says. That is my daughter Isabella's name. I have also had people ask me if I'm gonna get the rest of the kids' names on me, and no, I've got like a ton of kids and my whole back would be covered, so I think I'll just leave it to one. I will admit she is super cute though. Look at her. Doing my normal thing here, just getting the pillows looking nice again. Usually my daughter will do this for me. I always tell her to make the couch look beautiful, and she does a great job. But this time I decided to get to it while she was doing her schoolwork. I love when my couch looks put together. I feel like their room feels complete and clean. It's just one of the simple little things I like to do is have all my pillows out. I'm going to fold this blanket here, and you will see I will give it a good old sniff test. You never know until you sniff it. I'm just using my normal microfiber cloth here. I've had this one for a while. I know in my other videos I have told y'all to get them from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. If you guys know of any other places that have really good cloths, let me know. I'd like to invest in some possibly. They are just a lifesaver with cleaning. So I will use those to dust and also clean my countertops with them. So this cleaning really needs to be done every single day, but I kind of want to call it my lazy mom's cleaning because I'm just trying to get things done before my kids come home, to kind of have a clean slate before they destroy everything again, which makes perfect sense. Not really, but I like it all clean and put together before people come home. So this is what I like to do, but it's kind of my lazy mom's cleaning because I'm not getting down scrubbing baseboards. I'm just getting the house looking presentable. And you guys saw me, I vacuumed my couch, didn't even take the attachments off, I just put it right up there. So you do what you got to do to get clean and done quick. And I also want to say, when I say lazy mom's cleaning, that is not a bad thing, y'all. This mama can be a very lazy mama sometimes, and ain't nobody got time to be scrubbing baseboards all the time. So just be happy that you got it done. I know I sure was. And so you guys know the circular rug there, and then the square rug in the front, in the living room actually, is from E-Cell Rugs. And I believe I have the link in my description box. I will double check. If I don't get it up there and you guys want it, let me know and I will get that for you. But they have really amazing rugs and they're super affordable. So I'm going to start in the kitchen now. I usually will have this taken care of first thing, but because I was busy, like I mentioned earlier, some dishes got left here. I am using my Bubble Up sponge there from the Grove Collaborative, and I absolutely love it, you guys. Check out my description box, and there is a code for new customers in there, but it's called the Bubble Up, and it is so worth it. This sponge, or this brush here, and the little ceramic tray that I put everything on were just more than worth it for me. This Method Honeycrisp Apple Spray is heavenly, you guys. It is perfect for fall, but honestly, I will use this all year round. It is absolutely amazing. And I'm just using my microfiber cloth here. This was the Walmart one that it came in the 2-pack, and it really just helps get all the grossness and the grime and the gunk off of the countertops without scrubbing too hard. Now on to the boys' bathroom. Like always, putting things back where they need to go and hanging up the towels. And I'm going to use that same cloth I used in the kitchen, and I'm going to use it for the countertops and the sinks in here. And I like to repurpose one cloth, and I will use it for everything and then throw it into the wash. I'm using the Method antibacterial spray, and I'm going to spray this toilet completely down. I'm also going to spray my master room toilet, the master bathroom toilet. I did not get that. My camera went out, and I also didn't get me cleaning the mirrors. That's okay, but I just wanted to let you know I sprayed this toilet down and my toilet down in my bathroom, and that is going to give the spray time to kill all the grossness. And then I'm going to use my cloth that I have been using, and I'm going to wipe the toilet and everything completely down, and then I will put it in the washing machine. You guys, I am loving the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider, the all-purpose spray, the hand wash, and the dish soap. You guys have got to get it. It is the perfect fall scent. I've actually ordered extra so I don't run out. Grove Collaborative has it. You've got to get it. It is amazing, and it is by far my favorite fall scent. And then add the Honey Crisp Apple. It is the perfect combo. Now I'm just using the rag that was in here since I already put the other one in the wash, and I'm going to wipe down my countertops, my husband's, and I'm also going to use this for everything in this bathroom.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I?
Do you guys see that massive mound of laundry? See? It gets backed up so quick. I am not perfect.
Love the way you are, we always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch, but never love the feeling.
On to more vacuuming. I will usually do this one last time before I am done, just to get anything on the floor that I missed, especially when cleaning the countertops and everything.
Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away.
You guys have asked me before where I got my office chair. That is from Wayfair, and the link is in my description box. Alright guys, I am done. As I walk through, you'll see the time. It is 2:38. I did not get a good picture on my phone. I am so sorry. I rushed out very quickly afterwards. I have everything done. The house feels really good for the kids to come home. Ruby is making herself very comfortable on all of my nice pillows. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you good motivation. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I love y'all so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.